Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download and install GCam on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now, GCam does not work on the smartphone, but if you want to use GCam on the smartphone, just open the web browser app on your smartphone and in the search bar, just search this. From here, just scroll down and open this website on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and download this version of GCam. Now from here, just download this version of GCam on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on download. Now from here, just tap on open. Now just tap on install. Now just wait for a few seconds and tap on open. Now just give this app this permission. Now just give this app this permission. Now, as you can see, this is how you can download and install GCam on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.